Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you my portfolio investment that is sitting around $69,353. As you can see, probably it was a small jump. Have used that you compare with the last video. And it's because I added 10k. I added probably on Friday or Saturday 10,000 to my account. So that's why you can see the jump. However, that doesn't change how much I've been doing it during the year comparing with the SPY, with the market. I'll show you later, but so far I'm going to show you what are my positions right now. So as today is May 19, but it's pretty much in really earlier. So it's, let's consider it's Sunday, May 18. So you can see right now that my positions are Nvidia, TSN, Broadcom, Salesforce, Apple, and BLDR, the ones that are above 2%, the ones that I have more stocks on my account, and those are positive, as you can see here, because I bought most of them when it reached the bottom. The only exception right now is um, BLDR, which is not doing that well compared with the other ones. However, it is still one of the cheapest stocks that I bought it when the stock market went down. Now, as it has too much potential to keep going up, but so far I'm just keeping it at that uh, at 2.26% of my portfolio. Now, you can see the other investments are Uber, Microsoft, Robinhood, Coinbase, Chipotle, NU, Meta, and BICI, AXP or American Express, Google, Next Era Energy, Grab, which I explained you before. Grab is pretty much like Uber but from Asia, pretty much the same service. Then we have more like ASML, Mara, which is also involved in crypto, like Coinbase. Uh, then I have those are the one between 1% and 2%. Now, I used to have Coinbase, one of my the biggest stock that I have when it was like 2 months ago or 3 months ago. When I saw that the stock market was gonna go down, I started to reduce my position on that one because those are way too volatile. So that's why I reduced my position and I sold probably half of them or a few of them when it was really high, and I just kept the other ones and I bought more again when it was really low. That's why you can still see that I have like a 20% in gains. I still have faith that the crypto is gonna keep going up in the following months. So then I have also another stock that is for energy, OKA, OKE, and though I just keep it because it has 5% and I just bought it really cheap. That's why you can see just like a 2% down, but it's not that much because it's pretty much at the bottom. Then I have Soundhound, then I have OPTT, and more stocks that you can see over here that are below 1%. And you might see the reds ones, but I'm not scared of those because it's just like a less than 1% on my account, so it doesn't really matter to me. However, those that are below 1% are the ones that are more like hesitating if I just should I keep it or not. So that's I'm seeing how risky it is and how much potential it has in order to keep making sure that I'm gonna get gains on those. Like for example, right now, uh, United Health are the one that pretty much went down too much. It is, I'm pretty sure it's 50% or 40%. Let me take a look. UNH right here, all the way from the top over here. It went almost 60% down, almost 60% down, as you can see. But I bought it around here because I have this indicator that is telling me that uh, around 285 or 280 is where I can start making a position. But as I said before, it's just kind of risky because I'm not sure where is heading this stock, this particular stock. They have Club and KOPN, which also are those risky positions. If you want to know more about those, suggest you just to take a look at those stocks and see by yourself if it meets your criteria to start investing on those. But for me, it works pretty well. Then I have my ETFs, where are ARKB, which is Bitcoin ETF. So far, I'm doing pretty good. I have 10% of involvement in my portfolio. BXY, right now, as you can see, it's like a 30% down. I'm not that worried right now because as May, let me see, 18, 17, 16, May 16, the stock market after hours shows uh, that it was going down because from what I remember, it was downgraded the economy of the USA. So that pretty much put like at the stock market in a questioning mark right now if it's good doing well or not. So it might be this upcoming week not a green market. So that's why I'm gonna still keeping it, and I'm just gonna make sure that I'm just gonna try to cost average or just sell at some point when I recover the amount of money that I invested right now on this particular ETF, BIXY. Then I have TLT also involved, 7%, right now 5% down, and CONY, which is the ETF for Coinbase. And this ETF I mentioned before, it gives me 90, almost 95% of dividends, which even though you can see it's red right now, I'm pretty much close to break even of the losses because I'm getting a lot of dividends on this one. And if it, and it's just right now 1.26%, so it's really low. Just imagine that. So I'm not worried about it because also the Coinbase uh, makes huge jumps when it's gonna be a crypto bull market. And my cash investment is sitting around almost 30%. So I have too much cash to spend at any point if there is in a correction, which I'm pretty sure is gonna happen. Now, as you can see, my portfolio investment is still up 7.65%, more than 7% up. And if we compare it with the SPY, year to date, 1.64. So I'm doing so much better than the SPY right now. Now, the SPY, uh, as I said, it might show signal that it's gonna go down. It might seem that it's gonna go up, but we don't know if exactly what is gonna happen this weekend because on Monday 19, today, it might show a red candle, a red market, because as I said before, the extended hours after, on Friday, it shows that it's making a correction, the SPY. This is the weekly, so we can see the weekly is almost close to start breaking to a bull market. However, that doesn't mean that it can be a small correction before it goes up. I'm not saying that it's gonna be a bear market right now, but before it start the bull market, it has to be another correction because it's been going up too fast. Just to show you, one day you see it has been rallying up. It's been going up too fast. So we can see a coming correction and might touch this uh, resistance band. I'm sorry, this support line. And just to give you a better idea, also, the let me see. This is the 1 hour market, so let's go to the extended hours. There you go. So you can see that on Friday it started with a red candle, but then it was starting going up, 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 up. After the stock market closed, then you can see that it it start crashing all the gains that it has on that particular day. So everything that it gained on Friday, it was erased on that extended hours, as you can see right now. So pretty much is reaching the levels of um, this is Friday from Thursday. Yes, it's reaching the levels from Thursday, Wednesday. So we don't know exactly how much it's gonna go down, but my estimation is that it might go down until this particular point. It might go down to that point, so I'm just gonna start making sure to uh, get some stocks at this cheap price, and also cost average my BAXY and then sell it right away, so I can just leave it without losses. And that's it for today's video. So I hope you like this, guys. You can just take a look at my stocks, my positions, and just have an idea of what can you do with your own portfolio. With your own portfolio. Okay, guys, take care. Bye.